What's up,
What's up,
GTI?
GTI?
We're back with a new episode for you. First up are a couple announcements.
So for our first announcement, we have a new study abroad workshop coming up on the 16th. Pedro will be talking about feeling homesick. So check it out.
We also have two more workshops for you for study abroad. The first will be by Laura on November 16th from 1:10 to 1:50 on American culture. Laura will be giving the same workshop on the 17th from 1:10 to 1:50. Later this month, on November 30th, Kelly will give a workshop on dorm life in the US from 5:10 to 5:50, and she'll also be giving the same workshop again on December 8th from 1:10 to 1:50. Be sure to check it out.
So we also have a couple new videos. The first is What's Going On. Andrew will talk about COP26.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of What's Going On. Last time we talked about climate change and a little bit about the COP26 conference, which started on October 31st and ended on November 12th. Today we will discuss two of the goals of the conference: cutting greenhouse emissions, which are gases that trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, and stopping deforestation, which is the cutting down or destruction of forests.
Our second video is a new spotlight where we ask teachers and students about their favorite fall drinks and foods.
Since it's cold during fall, I would usually prefer to have hot chocolate with some marshmallows. I think that's the best drink anyone could ever take during fall.
My favorite fall food is oden. Yeah, every time I go back to my home, I go to 7-Eleven and then I buy some oden. That's my favorite.
Wow, those are some really interesting answers. So Andrew, what's your favorite fall food or drink?
I really like apple cider. How about you?
Ooh, that's really good. I really like homemade pumpkin pie.
Me too. Well, that's all we have for this episode. We'll see you again in a couple weeks. Bye.
Bye.